Okay, I know I filmed a video just now for my Pinch Me review, and I was wondering, I don't know when this video is gonna go out, but anyways, I was wondering if you guys wanted to know about me gauging my ears. Like, I don't know if you can see it good, but I know recently I started gauging my ears, and I wanted to know if you guys wanted to have a video about it, or videos every time I size up into a size. I'm only going to 4G. Like, I don't know the scientific terms about it, but in the kit it goes to 14 to 4G. I'm stopping at 4G, getting earrings, and that's it. But I already did this 14G one, and I don't know if you guys wanted to hear about that or know any information, what I used, what I did, how I did it. But comment down below, and I would like to know if you guys want to get like a story time info kind of stuff. I don't know. If you do, just comment down below, DM me on my Instagram, anything. But I will definitely do it if you guys want to know about it. Okay, bye.